Breadfruit or Nirpanasachi bhaji is simple Goan dish. The ingredients to make this recipe are 2 tablespoons oil, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 2 slit and cut green chilies, 1 chopped onion, handful grated coconut, 300 gram breadfruit or Nirpanas. For the recipe, the outer green skin needs to be peeled and discarded. Make sure to like, share and subscribe for more recipes. Also, the inner hard core need to be removed and discarded because it is hard to consume. The cream color inner flesh should be diced thinly. Start with basic Indian tadka used for flavoring the breadfruit. Heat about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a pan. Add mustard seeds and let it splutter. Add 2 slit and cut green chilies. Saute for 30 seconds. And add chopped onions. Fry till translucent in color. Add grated coconut and give it a good toss. Add diced breadfruit or Nirpanas. Cover with water and cook it on low heat till all the water is evaporated. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder, salt to taste and 1 tablespoon sugar. Stir for some time. Switch off the gas. This bhaji is served as side dish along with dal or rice, or you can also eat it with chapati. Stay tuned for more recipes. Thank you.